There is so much different nature to see around in Norway. Everyday life can be busy, but once you just get out into the mountains, you forget about it. My name is Synnøve Schaumann-Bernes. I help people plan their hikes and trips into the Norwegian mountains for the Norwegian Trekking Association. The experience of being outdoors in the nature is an important part of the culture of Norwegians. We have that word friluftsliv, which is just like a gathering word of all activities that you can do outside. As a kid, you have this curiosity, and once you're brought up to the mountains and you can see different things, and it just awakens a curiosity on what the nature can give you. You can get to challenge yourself a little bit and test your limits a bit. Here in Bergen, we have 7 mountains surrounding the city, so we can just go out of work or in school and just go right up to the mountains. You feel like you're miles away, but you're just an hour from the city. We have the Norwegian Trekking Association making it easier for us to enjoy nature. We have over 500 cabins throughout the country. That makes the mountains more accessible for people. We have a system based on trust. It's quite unique. You arrive and there's everything that you need in order to spend a night there. You can cook your food there. You can buy food because we have storage of food there. There's a safe there that you drop your payment off in. You leave the cabin like you came to it. You make it ready for the next person to come so they also can enjoy the cabin as you've been able to do. When planning a trip, it's important to respect the conditions in the mountains. The mountains can be very harsh. It can change so quickly from sunny and okay weather to a lot of wind and challenging weather. You have the responsibility to do the trip correctly. There's a lot of beautiful places around the world, but we're definitely lucky to have all the nice nature that we have, the fjords and the mountain. We're definitely lucky, that's for sure.